Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to record audio in Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to record audio in Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your app menu, search for recorder. Then you should see voice recorder. Click on it. Once you click on voice recorder, then you'll be prompted to click on the mic icon to start recording straight. So go ahead, minimize the mic icon and record whatever you want to record using your voice recorder or audio recorder on your Samsung phone. Once you are done, go ahead and click on the dynamic alert again to open the recording app. Go ahead and stop it. Then give it a name. Click on save. Now, just go ahead, go back and play it. Here. You can skip silence. So, whatever is silence will be removed. You can repeat. You can increase the speed. Then play. Instead of that, if you click on this icon, it's going to add that to Vivorite. You can remove it from Vivorite again or bookmark, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to do audio record in Samsung phone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.